back to my YouTube channel. Today I am filming my favourites for you. So I basically stopped doing these. I was doing like my fashion favourites and I started doing my outfit favourites, and then I felt like it was just another video on styling. So if I want to show you like my favourite outfits, then I think I'm going to do it as like an additional video rather than as my favourites. Just because I know I'm mainly fashion, but I do get to try a lot of beauty in my, like as a blogger I get sent a lot of beauty products, so I wanted to be able to share those with you and like my favourites rather than just like what I'm wearing, because I talk about what I'm wearing a lot on here, and so I thought it would be something a bit different and maybe like more help you to get to know me more as a person and as an all-round person rather than just like a clothes horse. Also, let me know what you think about my hair. I've like actually done it for the first time in like 3 years. I did it for a photo the other day. I curled my hair and I really liked it, so I've done it again, and now I'm not sure if I've got this bit wrong. Like my sister was like, do not curl the, I was doing it at her house and she was like, don't curl the area around your face because you cannot do it, I don't trust you, and she's not here, so I've done it, and I'm like, I don't think it looks too bad, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, curls or no curls. But anyway, so I've got quite a few things to talk to you about, fashion and beauty and also like general life, so I am going to just jump straight into it. Before I do so though, I would love you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do lots of fashion and styling videos. I also want to do more kind of like personal videos as well, whether it be vlogs or like what I wear in a week, but more of like a chatty thing, or like if you want like a get to know me tag or anything to do with blogging or my anxiety or like anything you want to know. So, or like a Q&A, I don't know. If there's anything you want to see, then just let me know, because I am taking requests for people. So, seeing as I am doing this video because I want to share my beauty, I thought I'd share beauty first, and I have 4 products in beauty that I want to talk to you about. And the first 2 come as a pair. So, this is my current lip product regime. So, I am using the WTLcSg lip pencil and lipstick. Oh my gosh, I should talk to you about... Oh, it's just started snowing. It's just started snowing. But anyway, I should talk to you really about the foundation too. I'm wearing it now. I wear it every day. I love it. It's the perfect matte. I'll leave it in the description below, but I should have got that to show you too. But that's also one of my favourites. But yeah, I'm talking to you about the lips today. And this lip combo is amazing. I'm wearing it right now and it's like my favourite. It's kind of like nude but slightly pinkier. And then I have got the lip pencil, which I apply first. It is in the shade H. It doesn't actually have a name, it just says H on it. And then on the end of the lip pencil, this is what really makes me love this even more. It has like a little, oh, it's a bit mangled because I've been using it a lot. It's got like a little lip, like brush. I don't even use these at home, but I have been using this actually, just because it's really handy because it's there, but I would never like be like, oh, I'm going to put my lipstick on, let me go and get my lip brush. But when I've just put my lip liner on and it's in my hand, it's really handy and it's actually really easy to apply with this, because I'm normally just to put it on, but you don't make mistakes when you use the lip like brush. And also I literally feel so fancy when I'm just sat on the tube putting my lipstick on and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna use my brush. Feel very fancy. And then the lipstick is a, I don't know what it's called, but I'll link it below. I don't know if it's like a creamy one. It's really pretty. It's got G&G in there. And which is in royal pink, and just think these two are like the perfect combo. They sent them to me, so they're obviously like a good colour match to wear together because they sent them to me as a pair, and I've been wearing them so much. It's like my all-time fave go-to. So just before I get into my next beauty products, just wanted to say a disclaimer that a lot of these products are sent to me. I get sent a lot of beauty products and clothes and things, so if you do want me to do like a blogger mail or something, or like first impressions, then let me know as well. I'm always happy to do that. Like, I don't want my channel to just be like one thing. If there's something in particular that you want to see, then I'm more than happy to do it. It just always appears to me that people want to see fashion, so I've just shown you anyway. My next product is also pretty much 2 products. It's also like a duo that you wear together, and it is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate and the Advanced Night Repair, like the classic one from Estee Lauder. I've nearly used like half of this already. I've only been using it for a little time, but it's so good. I just like slather loads on. So this is like a cult product that everyone has, and I've been seeing so much about this for years, and I always go to buy it and then I'm like, oh, I don't know, it's quite expensive, because I don't really have bad skin, so I'm like, if I don't have bad skin and I don't have anything that I need to repair, then why do I need it? But it is good for like anti-aging and just generally, I mean, my skin is radiant and it is so soft and I feel comfortable wearing no makeup. So to me, that is like priceless. And then also, I've always had issues in my eyes, and they sent me the Advanced Night Repair to use with it, and I've been using it a lot, and I really like this. The applicator is so nice. It's just like a glass stick, but it's so cooling and easy to put on, and because it doesn't like suck up any of the product, you don't end up with excess product on. It literally just puts the tiniest amount on, which is all you need for eye cream. And I've just been loving this combo together. And then after this, so I use this at night. Apparently you can use this in the day too. And also apparently there's loads of ways to use it. Like the girl was telling me that some people use it on their lips. It's like lip balm, and like there's so many different things and like hacks. So I need to try all those. And then also after these, I have been using the Shiseido Waso. I think it's called Waso Clear Mega Hydrating Gel. And first of all, I just started using this because it's crazy. It's like, I'll show you a bit on my finger. It's clear moisturiser. It doesn't really have a huge scent to it. It just smells very clean, which I really like in moisturisers. I hate moisturisers and anything that I put on my face that's like super perfumed. I really don't like it. So it smells very clean and like not clinical, but just like clean, like cotton or something. And yeah, it's clear, which is weird, but it works really well. I love it so much. And this combo I've been using for like a month maybe. I don't even know if I've had these for like 3 weeks, and loving. And yeah, very much recommend. We'll be using it all consistently a lot longer. And then my final beauty product is a perfume, and this is a new Jo Malone one, and my Jo Malone perfume selection is outrageous. I'm looking at it now and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 perfumes maybe. It's outrageous, but this one is my newest one, and it's the perfect scent for spring. It's like really pretty and light, but also very sophisticated. It's just like the perfect spring perfume. I can't even explain it. You have to go and smell it if you go to a Jo Malone counter. It's English pear and freesia, and it's just beautiful. I think that'd be really nice in a candle too. And yeah, I'm really loving this scent. They actually kindly sent this to me on Blue Monday, so you know there's like the Monday that's meant to be the saddest Monday of the year, and basically they sent out gifts that were for their campaign that's like just because they say you don't have to get a gift for a reason, you can get a gift just because. And they said just because for brides to be, because I am engaged, and I've just realised I don't have my engagement ring on because I just fake tanned, and I don't wear it on a fake tan, but I definitely should have put it on before this video. So on to fashion, and I have a few accessories and clothing to show you. And the first is these sunglasses, which are in my latest haul, and honestly, the sassiest sunglasses in the world. So maybe not these ones in particular, well definitely these ones because I love them, but this is not what I'm talking about. My main favourite is skinny sunglasses. I have another pair and they're really cool, and these are really cool. I have a discount code for these actually, so I'll put it in discount, have a discount code for these. I'll put it in the description box if you wanted them. But there's so many different pairs online that I have been loving. There's a pair that are like half sunnies. I'll put a picture in that I'm like currently debating. And yeah, I love these so much. They are so cool. I just feel like they make any outfit look super sassy. So this is a bit of a rediscovery in the form of my Chloe bag. I love this bag so much, and wore it so much in like the autumn, like summer to autumn, like when I first got it, and then I didn't wear it for ages, and then I worked out how to wear it as a bum bag, and then I didn't stop wearing it. And I wore it so much in Paris. I did a Paris lookbook, I'll like link it, and it looked amazing. It looked so cool as a bum bag. It's literally my favourite way to wear it, and I did a video of like how you can wear it as a video to like show you how to like do the strap to make it like that. And I love it so much. It's so cool. And also for a designer bag, it's super affordable. Like it's £500, which I know is a lot because it is like basically a wallet on a chain, but you can fit loads in it. It's got like it's got an okay sized inside. Like you can put an iPhone 8 Plus in there. You've got like all your card sections. You can fit sunglasses and like loads of stuff in there, so definitely a good investment. And then my trainers that I'm obsessed with are these ones. I love them so much, and I know they look so scruffy. They are actually scruffier now, because basically they're the sort of trainers that come scruffy, Golden Goose. They look scruffy when you first get them, and then I wore them around Paris and it rained and the suede got a bit darker, but I feel like it just kind of adds to the effect. I saw these on one of my favourite bloggers on Instagram, which is Audrey LBD, I think. I'll put a picture of her in. She had the high top version, which I wasn't too keen on. Like, when I realised, I really loved them, and then I realised they were high top and I was like, oh, that's so annoying. Then I saw them and I literally bookmarked them for ages, and it was on Black Friday, so I bookmarked them for ages, and then they didn't go into the Black Friday sale, and then I just kept looking at them, and in the end I was like, do you know what, I'm just gonna get them because I'm obsessed. And they're so cool. If you probably, like, a lot of people think they're a waste of money because they look so distressed, and I've only just got them, but they're the comfiest trainers in the world. Like, I've never felt comfort like it. And I also have them in like plain white with blue detail. I'll put a picture in. And I love those ones too. Those ones are actually slightly more comfortable. These are just as comfortable now, but the other ones were comfortable straight away, whereas these took a little bit of wearing in. Like, when I say a little bit, I mean like one wear. They were mildly uncomfortable, and then they were like slippers. But yeah, love these so much and totally recommend them. The leopard print, I was unsure of how much I'd wear them, but they actually go with anything. They're such a neutral, and the leopard print isn't like overpowering, and they're like pony fur kind of thing. I love them so much. Then another fashion piece that I am obsessed with are these PVC trousers. Oh my gosh, I did a whole blog post on like an outfit that I wore in Paris, so I'll link that below when I, like, where I link the trousers, so you can see them in more detail and like on. But honestly, I love these so much. I've wanted to pair PVC trousers for ages, but they're always either too tight, or they look like Catwoman, or there's just always something that's not quite right. And then I saw these ones, and they're actually from Miss Pap, which is such a like good like website, so affordable. So I do actually have a discount code for these, but I'm not sure if it's 100% still working because they change them every week. So it should be Sinead 30, but I will write a description discount code below. And if the discount code isn't running, because it was held off for a bit, it was because there was like a 75% off sale. So either way, it's worth checking them out. And people asked me, so first of all, the size I got was size small, and I'm an H10, so it's like perfect for me. And second of all, they don't dig in at all, they're so tight and they're quite stretchy. And the third item on the gender is the squeakiness. So, you know that noise? Let me do it down here because you won't hear it there. Oh, let me have... Okay, I can't hear the noise. But you know that squeaky vinyl noise that everyone hates? Let me see, I'll see if I can find a sound effect. Anyway, I know how to stop it. So someone messaged me and was like, I bought these trousers, they look so cool, and I loved them, but they make the worst noise. And I was like, don't worry, I know what to do. So you literally get the tiniest bit of olive oil on your hands and you just rub it in this area, in the crotch area. Stops it. Don't have to do it multiple times. I've only done it once and I've worn them like 10 million times, and it just stops it. You're welcome. So another pair of trousers. Normally I'm like really passionate about tops and jumpers, so I've got two pairs of trousers in my favourites. So this is like super special. These jeans. The sassiest jeans, to go with my sassy sunglasses. I'm just zipping them up because I forgot to do that before the video. They are from a brand, Revolve, and they are incredible. The seam goes all the way up. I actually saw some of these, like these, in Reformation when I was in New York, but they didn't have my size, and I was just also like, they're £150, don't know what to do, like I'm probably just going to buy them because they're in New York and don't know how I actually feel about them, have a million pairs of jeans. Then I got these ones. Oh my gosh, they are the best fit too. Like, I don't know if I've got a picture, I'll put a picture in. They are the best fit, and see them, I'll link my haul too, my recent haul, because you can see me wearing them in that. They fit amazingly, like they're so tight. Okay, I have bruises on my hips from when I wore them, but girlfriend denim comes up really like tight, but it gives loads, so you just have to like be patient, wear through it, it's fine. Just meant that I needed the toilet a lot that day because I was pressing into my bladder. But they fit amazingly. They're like skinny jeans, but they go straight at the bottom, like, but not too straight. So not like straight lip. They are skinny, but they're like, I don't know, would you call them like a relaxed skinny? And the denim is like proper thick denim. They're just amazing. The colour's perfect. I'm in love with them. Like, honestly, I'm in love. So my final item is not so fashiony. It is my slippers. Honestly, I'm in love with these. I've got 3 pairs of slippers from Miu now, including these, and I love them so much. These are the softest, coziest slippers I've ever put my feet in. So they are like the classic UGG style slippers, but they're pink, which is very important because they are adorable, and I love them so much. Like, have you ever seen such cute slippers? They're so cozy too, and Penelope agrees because she always tries to nick them off me, and I'm like, no, get off of my slippers. But yeah, love them. Don't really know what else there is to say about slippers. Oh, they are on sale at the moment as well, I think, like 30% off. Well, they were last time I checked. I'll link everything below. But yeah, I don't know if it's with code or not. I'll figure it out and write it all below. So before I go, I wanted to talk to you about a very important thing in my life right now. It's occupying quite a lot of my time. It's fairly new and like full on. I cry about it most days, but I'm also very happy about it. It's an emotional roller coaster. It's Grey's Anatomy. Honestly, I don't know if anyone's ever watched it. If you haven't, like, stop what you're doing now. This video is not important. Go and watch Grey's Anatomy. Like, honestly, I'm obsessed. I'm on season 9 and I started watching it after Christmas in the new year. So I have been watching it. It's been eating up my life, guys. Like, I went away to, where did I go with my sister? To Paris for a weekend, and honestly on the train home I was just like, oh, so excited that I'm going to get to watch Grey's Anatomy tomorrow. Like, I actually miss it. I miss it so much. Like, I don't know what my hair's doing, by the way. I'm looking in the like little thing and being like, whoa, I look crazy. But I am crazy for Grey's Anatomy. Like, it's so good. It's so good. If anyone watches it, please can you comment in the description below so we can like talk about it, because I don't know many people who watch it, and it really upsets me because when I watch a TV series, I like to have someone that I can gossip to about it, and I don't have that. If you haven't watched it, please watch it. And yeah, so anyway, I'm going to stop talking now. I'm literally like, I'm going to stop talking so I can go and watch Grey's Anatomy. And if anyone has watched it, I don't want to spoil it if anyone is going to watch it, but I just watched the finale of season 8. Oh my god. Okay, so this is goodbye from me because I'm going to go watch Grey's Anatomy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked my favourites. Let me know if you want to see more favourites from me, or what videos you want to see, more like general videos, Q&A, relationships, like get my fiance in it if I can drag him in or something. And I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!